Hey, it's Jessica. I'm at my sorority convention and um, I've checked in and I received my sorority gift and I want to unbox it. And when I say unboxing it, boy, do I mean unboxing it. This is the box that they gave all of the sorority members. It's huge. And let's see what's in there. I haven't even opened it up yet because I wanted to do it and show you guys. So I'm opening it up now. And this is what it looks like on the inside. If you can see that. I know you can see my TV. I turned that on. And it has beautiful tissue paper. Maybe I should position you guys like this. I don't know. I don't even know how to put my tablet so you can see everything. Well, let's see what happens first. Well, first I have a new umbrella, and it's in a special case that says Sigma Gamma Rho. So I already have one that I bought, but now I have another one. And this is really nice. It's an automatic umbrella. Ah! Here it is. And oh gosh, I can't even get it closed. Okay, anyway. And then I'm going to put that back in the case. Ah, there we go, I snapped it back in. That's one thing. And then there's this. Let's see what this is. I'm not sure what this is. It's round, it's soft. I mean, take it out. Well, this is almost like demolding some acrylic. It's hard to get it out. Oh, for heaven's sakes. I hate it when I'm trying to open up stuff and I can't. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, this is like a travel neck pillow. Oh, and my neck always is hurting. So, and then you can adjust it too. Okay, this is going to be good to sleep with, even when I'm not traveling. And it's like really soft and squishy. And of course it has Sigma Gamma Rho on it. Oh, that is great. I love that. Okay, now we've got this one. Let's see what this is. Oh, this was easy to open. Let's see what we've got here. Oh my goodness. I know when I went to the regional, I got a blue big duffel bag that's a garment bag that I actually brought with me on this trip. Okay. Oh wow. This is like a cosmetic kit for traveling. Oh, and look at this. This is really nice. It opens up this wide. It has zipper compartments all over the place, and it has a hook. Oh, this is, and it's Sigma Gamma Rho written all over it and inside of it. Oh, this is nice. This is really awesome. And then it folds up I thought it was like a little purse or something. The way it folds up. Oh my goodness. I know I've seen some of the gifts that my sorors have brought back from other Boules, because this is the first one I've ever gone to. And I've been so jealous. And now I get to be one that brings home things. And I'm not trying to make anybody jealous of me, but I am enjoying the privilege. Now we've got another gift. Let's see what's in this bag. Okay. Oh gosh, do I have to cut this one open? I got no scissors. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. This one has some shrink wrap. Good thing I got nails. Ooh. Okay, I'm getting to it. And when the air gets to it, it's... Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh wow. It's like a pillow. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's like a velour type, but it's more than just a pillow. It has like a little handle on the back. It zips, so let's see when you unzip it. Shut up. Shut the front door. It's not just, it's a pillow on the outside, but it's a blanket. Am I holding it upside down? I hope not. Can y'all see? It's a blanket. And it's so soft. Oh my goodness. And then you fold it up into this little pouch, so then it can be a pillow also. So you've got a neck pillow. They're all things for traveling. This is so cool. You've got the umbrella. You've got the neck pillow. You've got the cosmetic kit case. And then you have the blanket and the pillow. And then they also gave me these two. So let's see what these are. Okay, so this box. Okay, let's see how to open up this box. Uh-oh. Okay, this box had a little leather bag. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. We've got a brooch that says Tampa Boule by the Bay. So I'll be wearing that. Then there is a bracelet with our 10 pearls and 2 rubies and our Greek Sigma. And then there's another brooch that says 1 Sigma. 1 mission, 1 vision, 1 sisterhood. Awesome. Okay, that's what was in the box. Okay, my goodness, I've got so many gifts. And then this card, it says, oh, this is like a note from our international Grand Basilisk. That's our international president. Boule by the Bay, a gift for your journey. Oh, wow, like a special note from her to us. Well, I'm going to keep that secret. But look at all the things. I have new piece of jewelry. I have 2 new lapel pins. I have a pillow cover, a blanket, a travel kit, an umbrella, a neck pillow in this big old box to carry everything in. Now let me show you what I've got for what I bought for myself. When I made my sorority 11 years ago, I was a very plus size woman. And I wore a I was wearing a 26, 28 clothes. I was wearing a 4X jacket, and I got a jacket as a gift. Well, they had some jackets here, and I got a new one. It's a size small. And here is the S to prove it. And it's not big on me. I mean, it's not small on me or tight at all. Can you believe it? A girl who used to wear big clothes can now wear little clothes. So I am super thrilled about that. And I got a half off because the ones on their clearance were $25 and then the ones on the regular were $50. So I saved me some money. And then I got one more thing. Oh, well, the purse I already had. I have one of these kind of Pandora type style bracelets, and they were selling the charms for this event, this Boule. And I got one of these to go on my bracelet to add to it. I figured every time I go to an event, I'm going to get a new charm, and then eventually I'll have too many to put on there. It'll be crazy. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you guys. First day here. This is what I've done, and I'm going to end it, and I will talk with y'all later. Bye.